So what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Finally got my bike back. It was gone for a little bit. I sent it out to go get tuned, and I kind of filmed this video earlier when I actually went to go get it, and I left it on, I believe, what is it, night vision mode, something like that. So all the footage was just done. But yeah, finally back on it. I'm getting a bunch of text messages because I'm actually headed to work. But I'll talk to them later. Why doesn't it start? Oh, okay. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna get out of my neighborhood so that way you guys kind of don't know where I live. So okay, so here we go. So, back to what I was saying. So yeah, I got my bike tuned today. It's out here in Vegas, and it was actually really quick. I went over to Speed Demon. What is it? Arville and Reno for people that live here. I was really between them because I heard a lot of bad things about them, and then also heard a lot of bad things about Rev Point, but then also really good things between, both of them. So I really didn't know which one I was gonna go for, and I just decided with Speed Demon. So now, I'm about to jump on the highway too. Is this cop really gonna cut me off? Wow, dude. Okay. So screw me. Okay. No, but yeah. So do I recommend it? Yes. One thing that I don't like about the tune itself right now is my bike was like twice as loud as what it is right now, and it just lost it. I don't know what they did. It runs a lot smoother. Right around what it's like 7,000 RPM. I had to keep it either above or below 7,000. Otherwise, it would just kind of sound like it's redlining. And let's see. Yeah, like it would just sound like it's redlining, so I had to keep it above or below. And they fixed that. I have more throttle response, so I can feel it like actually pick up speed a lot quicker. So, I mean, I'm not going to say exactly how much it costed me because I believe, every bike is different. But yeah, mine's a 2009 Cbr 600. Oh, and that too. So they lowered my exhaust note and added like burbles, which is cool, I guess. It gives it a little more character. But I don't know. I just like my bike to be obnoxiously loud, and it's just not anymore. But also, this tune cost me quite some money. I don't even want to mess with the exhaust anymore. Yeah, I kind of learned that the hard way, but overall, it's pretty smooth. I'm actually headed to work right now. I really debated on riding to work right now because it is Cinco de Mayo weekend. Yes, Vegas celebration all weekend, and we are what is it, the 1st, I believe. So there's parties all the way to the 5th, and possibly even the 6th. Yeah, so especially since I work at night. Oh, the werewolves. Especially since I work at night, out here it's fucking DUI Central. should be out of work around 4 or 5 in the morning. People aren't really out that late already. So oh yeah, it just feels so much smoother. Yeah, anyway, what was I saying? Oh, even that too. So I got some new cheek pads. Since I believe, yeah, since like January, I started dropping a lot of weight. I'm down 30 pounds, like 32 pounds, something like that. My helmet got very big for me, to the point where like I would try to look back and my whole like helmet would almost spin. So I talked to some guys at Cbr, and they told me that Cinco actually makes like thicker padding, because I have the Strato 3. So they told me they sell thicker padding, and I bought it, and it actually feels snug. I ended up having to go like 2 sizes down, but I just did a 5mm plus on cheek padding. Or the 2 sizes down was I wanted to buy another helmet. Yeah, so like my head drastically shrunk just with me losing weight. But the cheek padding actually made it a lot better. And they're 20 bucks. They're like $22. So if that keeps happening, you know, once these kind of wear out, I'm just gonna keep buying cheek pads till it's time to replace my helmet. Because what the hell am I doing dropping $300-400 every single time? Like, hell no, man. I really like how this bike feels now. It just feels so smooth. And it's got more give. Like, that was like a baby throttle right there. I have a buddy who I ride with. He has a, what is it, Gixxer 750? He's been wanting to run it, and I'm like, wait for me to tune. Last time he just took me out, so I'm like, maybe now, we'll see. Maybe I'll be at least be able to keep up. This Prius, man. Side markers are bright. The burble's all down second gear. That's so crazy. Oh. And to think, I was actually looking at upgrading for like 1,000. I know 1,000 is not necessary out here, but if like this wasn't really going anywhere for me, now that it's tuned, I'm like, hell, that dude feels like a brand new bike. There's a Polaris behind me. Oh no. Oh, it's another bike. Damn. They infiltrated into Harley's crazy. Oh, one thing that also that they did that I don't like, they took off a lot of my engine braking in first and second gear. So like now it's like this can just sit there. Yeah, back then it would just stop. So that's one thing I actually don't like that what they did. But you know, it's cool. It's just something to get used to. Yeah, it's just something weird. When I was riding it home, I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, why isn't it like dropping? Because that I kind of just shortened my braking distance. Now I actually have to brake. Yeah, it's just weird, you know. But we're getting something to get used to. Anyway, I'm already almost there. But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna cut it right here. I will catch you guys next time. Peace.